What's going on, good people? This is Terrence Hill with Southern Gentlemen's Table TV. If you haven't please like and subscribe to our channel. All right, so today we are gonna make homemade butter. I know when people go to the stores now, one of the biggest things, a lot of stuff is expensive now, but when you go and try to buy butter, like, man, why is butter so expensive? And I get it. But me personally, I don't really complain because I normally like to make my own anyway. So I want to show you how to do it as well. Okay, so first things first, pour the heavy cream into the mixer. You can use the stand mixer or hand mixer, whichever you prefer. So then obviously I start mixing it on medium speed, and what you'll notice is the cream will thicken and turn into whipped cream. Keep going though, keep mixing. Soon you'll reach the soft whipped butter stage. You'll see the texture change and start to form clumps. This is when the magic happens. As you continue mixing, you'll see the butter separate from the buttermilk. It's a beautiful sight. It means you're almost done. Now carefully drain the buttermilk from the butter. You can save this for baking or cooking. It's delicious. Finally, knead the butter under cold water to remove any remaining buttermilk. This helps to keep the butter fresh for longer. And there you have it, homemade butter. Perfect for spreading on toast, baking, or cooking. Enjoy it. All right, so now, if you can see, so after about 5 or 6 minutes whipped, now you can see, we got our butter right here, but now down here at the bottom, you see that liquid, that's the milk fats that's separated, and what you have here is what we consider, that's what buttermilk is. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to, first things first, I'm gonna take the butter, okay? It's kind of solidified, but it's kind of soft, and we wanna rinse off the additional milk fats. And so this is why I have a thing of ice water here. I'm gonna form this into a ball. All right, you can shape it how you want to. All right. Now, this is considered to be unsalted butter because I didn't add salt to this. If you wanted this to be salted butter, the only thing you needed to do is just add like 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt to the mix. I'll remove this here. So look, I'm gonna take the butter. I'm getting the butter out of the buttermilk itself, as much as I can. I'm gonna kind of put it in a ball, all right? And now, again, you can shape it how you want to, but look, I'm gonna drop it in this ice water. And we're gonna keep that here. We'll keep doing that. But in the meantime, while that's there, I'm gonna take my strainer and I'm gonna strain that buttermilk, okay? Because listen, when you need to use buttermilk to make pancakes, and that's another thing. Sometimes you need to go with buttermilk and a recipe calls for it. You're like, man, what do I do? Well, look at that. You got a little bit. I mean, that's a decent amount. All right, so now I'm gonna take that butter and just keep shaping it. Now, if you have some parchment paper, you can roll it. And now, at this stage also too, what you could do is if you wanna make what we call compound butters, if you wanna add cinnamon and sugar, if you wanna add garlic and herbs, this is where you could do it at this point here. But I just wanted you to see how easy it is. So next time you look at heavy whipping cream, that's what it is. This is what butter is. It's just heavy whipping cream, just in a different form. It technically went from heavy whipping cream to whipped cream that you use for desserts or whatever. And now we have our butter. And look at that, that's nice, it's fresh. And guess what, there's no preservatives. You know exactly what's in it. It's just heavy cream. And it tastes amazing and it's fresh. All right.